Okay, so today's problem of the day reads, Mrs. Mueller has 6 packages of pencils. Each package has 5 pencils. How many pencils does she have? First of all, we go back and we underline the important information. So let's say 6 packages of pencils, and each package has 5 pencils. So we want to know, how many pencils does she have? First of all, what kind of problem is this? Get ready. Yes, it is an equal groups problem. Equal groups. All right. So we can draw this out to solve it. So we need 6 packages of pencils. So let's draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packages of pencils. We know that each package has 5 pencils, so let's draw 5 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so each package has 5 pencils now. So how do we write this in sentence form? So we start off with the whole. How many groups do we have? Get ready. Yes, we have 6 groups. So we have 6 groups of. Groups of means we know we write the time symbol. So we've got 6 groups of how many? 5. Okay, and so we know 6 times 5 equals, get ready. Yes, 30 pencils. The other way we could have solved was be counting by 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. But we're learning our multiplication, so we know that 6 times 5 equals 30.